Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to change the Google Docs view theme to dark mode in desktop web browsers. Google Docs does not have an official built-in toggle switch for desktop dark mode like the mobile app, but you can easily enable it using browser flags or extensions. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your desktop computer. Click on the browser address bar at the very top, type chrome://flags or edge://flags and press enter. Type Auto Dark Mode for web contents into the search bar at the top of the flags page. Click the drop-down menu next to Auto Dark Mode for web contents and change the setting from default to enabled. Click the blue Relaunch button that appears in the bottom right corner to restart your browser and apply the changes. All web pages, including Google Docs Canvas, toolbars, and menus, will now render in a full dark theme display. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.